Today we're looking at one of the most magical gemstones in the world, God Alexandrite. We start with the stone under normal lighting. Watch this. As I switch between different lights, the color completely changes. Under incandescent light it turns a rich warm orange. But under white light it becomes a vivid green. Often described by gem lovers as emerald by day, ruby by night. Alexandrite is the very rare color change variety of the mineral chrysoberyl. This incredible color-changing ability is what makes Alexandrite so special. Now we move closer to explore the inside of the stone. What we see is absolutely breathtaking. The gem is filled with hundreds of sparkling crystals, all different in shape and size. Some are tiny, others are larger, but they all shine with incredible brilliance. These crystals were trapped inside the Alexandrite during its formation millions of years ago. It's actually a miracle of nature. While the gemstone was growing, these tiny crystals got locked inside and stayed small, perfectly preserved for millions of years. They never grew bigger, they just remained as beautiful sparkling guests inside the stone. As I gently move the Alexandrite, all these crystals start dancing and sparkling like stars in a cosmic show. It's pure magic. As I slowly move across the stone, we discover this feather inclusion. A feather is actually a small internal fracture inside the gemstone. Now it's completely surrounded by all those sparkling crystals. It looks like a beautiful silver river flowing through a starry landscape. And on the pavilion, the bottom part of the stone, we discover even bigger and more dramatic crystals. There's also a very romantic pattern where fingerprints and crystals come together, creating an almost celestial garden inside the gem. Guys, just take a moment and enjoy this view at 200 times magnification. Look how all these crystals are sparkling. This is exactly the kind of beauty we love showing on this channel. Pure gemology. Finally, let's go back to the top and enjoy this famous color change one more time, from vivid green to warm orange. This is why Alexandrite is considered one of the most fascinating gems on Earth.